new supermarts for you. Ambareesh Baliga is with us for a quick chat on markets. We're about 13 minutes away from the market close. Ambareesh, good to have you with us here. Let me just dive straight into what you like. And what you like is Grindwell Norton. That's your pick that you get to us, the one pick that you get to us every week. Tell us about the name and why you like it.
Grindwell Norton is a market leader in abrasives with about 26% market share. And they also are there into performance ceramics and plastics. IT services is about 10% of the revenue. And their recent acquisition, PRS Permacell, will also broaden their product portfolio. And if you look at the Q3 earnings, they were quite decent. Revenues were up about 20%. EBITDA rose about 32%. If you look at the cash flows for the last 10 years, very strong cash flows with high margins of 16% plus. And now they are focusing on ceramics and plastics, which again would be the new value-added products going ahead. And looking at the next 3 years, my expectation is that the revenue CAGR will be about 21% and EBITDA CAGR will be about 24%. Net debt-free company with double-digit return ratios. So expecting an EPS of about 48 for FY25. So my target is about 2,400, which is a decent about 20-25% to move from here.
And where does it trade now? I'm just looking at the chart, Ambareesh. Usually, you know, you like stocks where charts are like this. You know, they're going down, and then you like to pick value. Here, we are pretty close to not very far away from all-time highs. Although the stocks now come back to the same levels, it's not done very much for the last 2 years now, right?
Exactly. I mean, from that point of view, since it has not done too well, though the performance has been, up to the mark, better than expectation. So because of which I expect this stock to perform, from here on. Normally I look at contra bets. But again, this is not exactly contra, but then it has not really performed despite the financial performance.
All right. Hi, Ambareesh. Good afternoon. Just a few minutes before we go into the weekend. But Ambareesh, a couple of days ago, we got the North America truck orders, and they didn't look very great. And for Bharat Forge, that's one of the points, that have some impact on the stock. I think you were fairly bullish on Bharat Forge. You continue to hold on to that stance because the remainder of their segments are firing?
Absolutely. And if you look at the history, the last, say, 10 years, whenever, the order flows have reduced for the Class 8 trucks, Bharat Forge has corrected. And always that has been the buying opportunity. Because, this news keeps on changing. In the next 3 months, you'll see that the order flows are better. You'll see the stock again shooting up. So, I would see this as a buying opportunity. And anyway, it's a 2 to 3 year buy for me. So I'll continue to hold.
All right, Ambareesh, what we'll do is we'll continue our conversation with you after this very short break.